Okay, I see your floor plan here. I see where your sink is. I see the stove. It's definitely not recommended to have a tall pantry cabinet, if that's what I'm reading right, jammed up against the stove. Particularly if it's gas. You got an open flame. They want, guidelines want to have 15 inches of space on either side of a stove at minimum. And when I say 15 inches of space, I mean countertop space. I know you have experience, but dishwashers over here don't work well. Dishwashers work much better next to a sink over here. And I know you probably want to put the stove on an outside wall. Now, as far as the corner goes, I know you don't like Super Susans, but that drawer cabinet is going to be shaped like this. I've done one of those in my 20-year career, and that was in a very large kitchen. But with a drawer cabinet, and I don't know what you end up doing. This probably was where the stove is today. I'm going to take a guess on this wall. But you can't do one of these drawer cabinets right up against an appliance because it'll hit the side of the appliance. But you'll notice this space here, and I'm going to try and draw it. This space here is all dead space. This space here would be all unusable dead space if you use such a drawer. I see your pantry over here. I see the fridge. It's like a 30-inch wide refrigerator. Then a fireplace. I don't know if you have them, but it might be helpful to me to see photos of the existing space. And I usually like to measure the space before I do a lot of design work. So if that's an option, that would be great.